If you want to develop your spiritual life more and more, then satang prasangat, then you have to associate with devotee. Adu sadhya tato sadhu sangha. And sadhu we have described already in 3-4 verses. The summary is a sadhu means devotee. Apite sudurachara bhajate mam anannabha. Anannabhavena. Without any deviation, unflinching, staunch devotee. They are called sadhu. So, we have to associate with sadhu, satang prasanga. When you discuss about Krishna with sadhu or devotees, it becomes very pleasing. Satang prasangat mavabhijya sangvido bhavanti ritkanna rasayana. Rasayana means there is some taste. Just like you eat something, there is some taste. That is called rasa or mela. Just like in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, rasoham apsukanti. Rasa means when you are thirsty, when you drink water, you taste something very nice, other to quench your thirst. So Krishna is instructed that to begin with, you can think of me, aham, why you drink water. It is not difficult. Everyone can practice it. So easy. Everyone can practice. Everyone drinks water. And the rasa, the taste, the nice taste, when you are thirsty, how it is palatable by drinking water. Without water sometimes we die, and by getting little sip of water we live. Water is so important. So water we drink everyone, and there is rasa. That taste, if you simply think, here is Krishna. Very easy thing. Raso angapsukantya prabhasmi sasisujaya. As soon as you see the sunlight in the morning, you can think, Krishna says. Why do you say, can you show me God? God is showing you Himself. Why don't you see? If you close your eyes, how you can see God? He says, I am this. According to our position, just like here it is said, Sadhya rati bhakti ranukramishati. Anukram means gradual. Not that all of a sudden you can expect to see God, but you become qualified to see God. This is the way. Sadhya rati bhakti anukramishati. Adu Shraddha. Just like with Shraddha, somebody is thinking this Hari Kirtan is nuisance. They are amongst those Duskitanam Mudha. You are thinking that this Hari Kirtan, Hari Katha, which you are trying to spread all over the world, and they are accepting all over the world, and in India, especially here in Bombay, they are sending complaints to the police that we are creating nuisance. Just see the fun. Where Krishna is born and Krishna Katha is there, Bhagavad Gita, we have not imported this book from elsewhere. Now we are so fallen that we are thinking that this Krishna Katha, this chanting of Hare Krishna is creating nuisance. Just see how much we have advanced after getting independence. They are complaining that we are creating nuisance. Satatang kirtantang man jatantasya dirabhrita. Kirtan is recommended in the Bhagavad Gita. Satatam, always, 24 hours. Satatam kirtantam mam jatantasya dirabrita. And worshipping the deity with attention, with care. These things are going on here and people are complaining, we are creating nuisance. Just see. Asat is so dangerous. Therefore, we have to create a society of Sat. Then the world will be saved. Otherwise, they are going to the hellish condition of life. Nati vidu sartha gatim hi Vishnu durasayaji bahirathamanina andha yathandhi rupaniyamana ste isatantra urudam nibadhya matinna krishne parato sato va mitho vivadvita grihabhritana adanta gobhi visatang tamisram punah punah chad vita charvanana. So, if we want to save ourselves, we do not know how to save. Gaddulika pravaha. Gaddulika pravaha, nay. There is a logic of Gaddulika pravaha. One man is doing something and another man is following. Of course, if you follow a sajjan, a devotee, that is very nice. But if you follow a rascal, then you also become rascal. But at the present moment, the whole world is full of rascals. Mudha, duskitina, naradhama. Why do you call mudha, duskitina, naradhama? There is so much advancement of education. There are so many universities, so many degrees. The Krishna says, Maya apurita jnana. Their so-called knowledge has no value. Because the sense of knowledge is taken away by the illusion. Now, why you say they are educated? No, their knowledge has been taken away. Why? What is the reason? The reason is asuri bhavamasrita. They are taken to the nonsense philosophy of godlessness. That's it. For this reason, their so-called education, university education, degrees, are simply illusion of Maya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung one song, Jaro Vidya Sam Mayar Bhaibhav. This material education without God consciousness is expansion of the influence of Maya. Jaro Vidya Sam Mayar Bhaibhav. Tomar bhajane bada. They are simply impediments in the matter of advancing Krishna consciousness. Tomar bhajane bada. Anitya samsare, and why? The result of godless material education means the anitya samsare mohajanmaya. We are already illusion. Anyone who has come to this material world, he is illusion. But the advancement of so-called material education means the increasing of the same illusory propaganda. Jaro vidya sa mayar vaibhav tomar bhajane badha anitya samsare mohajanmaya. They are trying to become happy in this temporary material life. He has forgotten that is eternal. Even if we become very happy, temporary life in this life, that is also illusion, because we will not be allowed to stay and enjoy the status. But they do not understand. So these things have to be understood in the association of devotees. A devotee knows everything. Tattadarshina. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshina. Tattadarshi means who has actually seen the truth. Om Tat Sat, one who has seen the supreme truth. The supreme truth is Krishna. So, these are the chance human being and There is Krishna consciousness movement. There is Krishna. Krishna is advising personally. So many opportunities offered by this Krishna consciousness movement. Why don't you take?